Monica, you having fun?
Yeah. Look at this puddle.
I feel like we live in Vancouver or Seattle where it just rains and rains and rains some more. I swear this is like the greenest I've ever seen our grass this time of year. Usually it's like brown, there's fire advisories and everything else, and nope, not this year. Rain, rain, rain. So I guess like Veronica says, she goes jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splish splash.
Walk, walk.
Ooh. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
Yeah.
What else does she say? Finish the song. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
Yo, splish, splash, splish, splish, splash.
Hey, I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely led me in.
So, I guess the best thing to do with all this rain is pull our rhubarb and do some baking. So we're gonna make some strawberry rhubarb pies.
It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games.
Alright, so I got my rhubarb, I got my strawberry, and my kitchen smells beautiful with the lilacs. I got my little helper here, and what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make rhubarb pies.
Yeah! And I got my second little helper here too.
Always guiding me to when my words are true. I've waited a million years before, and I do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be.
Wash that rhubarb really good.
We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Yeah, it's hard to be. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorites.
All right, so let's try this out. Let's see how it tastes. Get a little bit of rhubarb and ice cream. Yes, so good. Look at that chocolate face. Hi.
Can I do that? Can I do
You do this.
or does no, can I move you?